When we have selected the calculated table Y1CP, we have access to all the visualizations that are inside of the module. In this version of Qualitools, all the visualizations have the information icon. In this example, we will select each visualization one by one. First, Process Capability, in which we see the normal distribution, the limits, and questions that help us to obtain more information about the selected data. After, we open the chart IMR, Individual Moving Range. The chart XR, Means and Ranges, then the chart XS, Means and Deviations. Here we have to consider that if the number of subgroups is less than 8, this chart is not useful. After, we select EWMA, Exponentially Weighted Moving Average. Then, Special Variation, where we can visualize our data in terms of standard deviations, and the percentages of data that is allocated to each zone. We also have rules to detect special causes for variation, or in other words, variation that could be attributed to external factors. Lastly, we have the capability summary, which is a mix of the process capability and the chart XR. It also contains 3 questions in the bottom part that help us to understand if there is any potential for process improvement. Scroll down in the template and we found the percentage of data outside of the control limits, if any. Thank you, and see you in the next chapter.